actually probably most likely disgusting. So today, what are we doing? What am I here for? Just kidding. You're probably like, where you been, bitch? Where you been? I haven't even been gone for that long. Like, yeah, I've only been gone for like maybe 2 weeks. I don't know. I'm just saying, like, you know, 2 weeks is not long, but it's long. But, you know, sis had school, I had midterms, and just all this other stuff. And it was really hurting me, and I didn't really know what to do. I really miss you guys. You know, I feel good. I feel, you know, good energy. You know, I did my edges. So, a lot of people, okay, so on Instagram, okay, before I even start, my last video about dyeing my hair, I dyed my hair purple. I don't know if any of you guys remember or not, I don't know, but like a lot of people really liked that video, and I was like, okay. And so I'm not dyeing my hair again, no. What I am doing is, so I took a poll on Instagram and I asked everybody, I was like, should I dye my hair lime green or should I dye it orange? And so of course everybody has chosen, okay, actually it was a little battle, because at first everybody was saying lime green and everybody was saying orange, but orange won, but lime green almost won. Almost. It almost had the race. In the polls, it was lime green and orange. Basically, lime green was trying to win, but orange won. So everybody was just saying that I should do an orange wig. But you know, you love me the most, you know. And I bought orange dye. Listen, I bought orange dye. But I was thinking, I was like, honestly, this little lime green trend is only gonna go so far. And I want it to die down first. I'm gonna let it die down, and then I can jump on the train, because I'm not trying to jump on the train where everybody else is on the damn train. No. So I'm gonna dye my hair with the Kiss Colors Limelight Temptation. You can see it or not. Oh my god, do you see me in the back? I am so gross. Okay, so I'm using the Kiss Colors Limelight and Temptation, and this is what I'm going to use to dye my hair lime green. I think that's going to look really good. And I'm going to the Museum of Ice Cream, and I kind of want to be, you know, fruity. Anyways, the hair that I'm using is 613 hair, straight, with a 20, 22, 24, 26 inch, with 18 at frontal hair. And this is by West Kiss Hair. And I actually really like, because I like the smell of it. Like, I never noticed, but like when you get hair, it smells weird and it smells like processed hair, but this doesn't smell weird. But I made this easier. I'm gonna try the watercolor method, which I looked up on YouTube, and I don't know how it's gonna go. I don't know how it's gonna work, but what I do know is I have a bowl, I got some water, and I got these dyes, and I just know you gotta dip your way into it. So I feel like it's self-explanatory. Only problem is I've never done this before, so you know, it's always a learning experience. It's always a learning experience with me and you. So I promise you, this is the most bootleg, ugliest thing I've ever seen in my life. So basically, I don't want to get anything stained. Outside is fucking ugly, and I'm super perfectionist, and I need everything to look right. So, and I don't want to get anything stained, so I just decided to just do it on my desk, because yeah. And I was looking on everybody's YouTube videos, and they basically had like so basically everybody used like a ladle or some shit to put their wig in, and I don't have a ladle, so all I have is chopsticks. Like, what? Oh my god, I'm actually tired of myself. So I think you just need these 3 dyes. Like, if you didn't come here to laugh, I swear, like, I'm just a straight joke. I don't know how this is gonna work. Like, I just need this to work. I'm just gonna take these little pins out the wig. Oh, she's ready to come off. And that's what she looks like. She's just like a regular wig, ready to go. Honey's ready. I'm gonna put 1 bottle, dip her in, and then put in another bottle. I feel like I'm just gonna mess up everything. I feel it. I can feel it. I feel myself being clumsy. I'm gonna put another bottle in it, or yeah, so it can be more vibrant. I don't know.
Just don't understand what you expect me to do. Every time you say I'm lying, babe, I was telling the truth. You say that I'm giving nothing, but I give you my youth. Every time you get this way, I gotta be bulletproof.
Okay, so I'm just like a tad bit scared, and I wish I bought like 5 bottles, but I didn't. I bought only 3, and they were so cheap, but I thought like I would only need 3, but I still see yellow parts in the wig, which I'm not like too scared because like it is a lime green wig, so like I'm just gonna let it sit in there for maybe like 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back, wash it, and then I'm gonna wear it on Saturday. So I'm not wearing it yet, not yet, but yeah. I don't know how it's gonna come out. Ah! Here we go. Oh. I look like a little like lemon head. This thing is so bright. You can't tell me I don't look bright. Like, I'm the brightest woman alive right now. I'm just gonna straighten this. Even though it already looks straight, but it's not straight enough. I don't know what straightener this is called, but this is my friend's straightener, and it's like the best straightener I've ever had in my life. Like, if I can find... No. By Baby Bliss. Baby Bliss. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But this just gets my like hair so straight, like, oh my god, I just want y'all to see this.
I'm really just an idiot, like you say, 'cause you're the only one I think about all damn day. But now you're going through that old fix again. Feel my chest rip open at the thought that you changed. My breath got caught up in my throat.
I've never seen myself with such a bright color. Oh my god. I'm just gonna take some mousse. I'm gonna put it up here. Just so my edges can look real. Looks like this, and it's so bright only because there's like yellow hints in it, so like this thing is not like, if you think this is not loud, I promise you so many people are gonna be like, Tatiana, I'm gonna be vlogging today and my hair is gonna be loud and I look good. Probably gonna wear it like this all day, you know, one up, one down, one slide back. Ooh, oh my god. This is it. I hope you guys liked this video. This is my adventure of this color, and I'm gonna be going out today and I'm gonna be looking bad. Ooh, let me show you the glasses I'm gonna be wearing today. Oh shit, wow. No, I'm wearing these today. Are they crooked? What's happening? Oh no, they're not. Yeah, I'm wearing these today. I feel like I just turned into the baddest bitch right now. Like what? Here we go. Let's go. Yeah, I hope you guys like this. I feel like I hopped on the little like trend really late, but I think that's what I low-key wanted to do, so I don't feel too basic, but I still feel basic, but I still feel good. So look at all these edges. Like, you want to see these edges? I love you guys. I'm gonna have to leave because I have to do my friend's makeup. Yeah, love you guys. I'll see you guys later.